I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is the address book using the document log part 5, how to email a document from the document log in the address book. Right, so let's access the address book on the little address book icon. And I am, for the purposes of this, using a party that I've already dragged and dropped items onto. So please do have a look at our webinar on how to drag and drop. Right, so there is my party. And I access the document log on the little yellow folder icon as follows. Right, now these are the items that I have in my document log, and I'm going to use this as a Word document. Now, in my user settings, I have set my user profile to instruct the program to please ask me if I would like to convert anything that is not already a PDF to a PDF when attaching it to an email. So you have the option to either leave it as a Word document or to convert it automatically, or for the program to ask you. So I highlight the document in question. If you want to email multiple documents, you can simply tag them, and the program will then add each of the documents to the email. So I highlight my Word document, and clicking on the little fourth icon that says send the document via email as an attachment, the little envelope on top of the world, I click on it, and the program will then say, do you wish to convert this document to PDF? And I say yes. The program will then open up the little emailing screen, and you will see the name of the document will appear in the subject line. Now, I like to just clean this up a little bit, take the spaces and the brackets out, and what the program will insert here is the actual name of the document, so you're more than welcome to change the subject line here. Now, at the to field, if you click on the little ellipse button at the end of the field here, you will have access to your entire Legal Suite address book, other employees in your firm, and if you use your Outlook address book, your Outlook contacts. I don't use my Outlook address book, so mine is empty. Alternatively, you can simply type in the email address, and the program will use a little bit of fuzzy logic. So if you've used this party before, if the party is in your address book, it will automatically complete the field. You can also copy, again, to anyone in your address book or other employees or your Outlook contacts, and again, you can simply type in anyone you'd like to copy. So the body of my letter, this is generally where I would put, dear sir, dear madam, please find you with whatever you've attached. So I am just going to write test, test, test. And you have the option to charge for the email. I'm going to take this off. You can not create a file note. The program is automatically geared to create a file note every time you send an email, and you can also insert a reminder. Now, if I have a look at the attachment, you will see that it's taken the Word document and converted it to a PDF. And if I view the attachment, it will open in Adobe, and this, as you can see, is a PDF document. Okay, you also have the option to add documents here. So if I click on the add button, it will take me to my Windows Explorer, and I can then select documents from any other destination to add to this email. So I'm going to close, go back to my message, I click on send, and the program will now use Outlook to send the email. So this is just the program trying to get past my Windows security. And once again, I have quite significant security set up on my Outlook, and the email has now left. Now, the program will save a copy of this email in the document log because it was generated by the program, and there you can see it has popped up because I've used my own email address. So if we go to my emails and I go to my sent items, here is my email that I've sent. It's picked up my email signature because it's been set up in my user profile, and here is the PDF document that I have attached. And on the receiving end, if I go into my inbox, as the client, here is how the client will receive your email. So the contents of the email that we typed into the body, it's picked up my email signature from my user profile, and it has attached the item as a converted Word document to a PDF. And if I close, minimize back to the document log in Legal Suite.